What if your smartphone could be both featherlight and a full-blown mini tablet? If you've ever felt torn between portability and screen real estate, Honor's latest Magic V3 promises to end that battle. I've spent a week pushing this device hard, streaming movies, juggling apps, snapping portraits, and I'm here to tell you whether its ultra-slim design is more than just a wow factor. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know if the Magic V3 is the foldable that finally makes sense for your daily grind. When you first pick up the Magic V3, the standout moment is its incredible thinness. Honor has squeezed a 7.9mm chassis when closed, a dimension you'd expect from a flagship slab, not a foldable. That hinge is precision engineered to disappear when you open the phone, so your thumbs never catch on a lip. And while thin can scream fragile, this thing feels rock solid. Honor's special alloy frame and fortified glass work in harmony to give you confidence that it won't buckle under everyday use. Unfold it, and you're greeted by a 7.92-inch OLED canvas at 120 Hz refresh rate. Colors pop with vivid accuracy, and scrolling through social feeds or editing photos feels smoother than butter. Honor claims up to 1/200 nits of peak brightness. And yes, you can comfortably browse outdoors without squinting. But the real magic happens when you split-screen two apps side by side. It's like having a pocket multitasking powerhouse without any lag or janky resizing. Under the hood, the Magic V3 packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. In everyday use, that translates to lightning-fast app launches, buttery gameplay, and zero hiccups even when you're swapping between half a dozen browser tabs. The graphene cooling solution keeps things from overheating, so you won't end up with a hot brick in your hand after an hour of gaming. Now let's talk cameras. Honor has given us a triple lens setup led by a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization. Daylight shots brim with detail, and night mode stitches multiple exposures to bring out shadows and highlights you'd otherwise miss. Portraits boast natural skin tones and precise edge detection, so you can snap that Instagram-ready selfie without a second thought. And yes, 4K video recording remains steady thanks to AI-enhanced stabilization. Battery life is another highlight. Despite its slim profile, the Magic V3 houses a 4800 mAh array cell that comfortably powers me through a full day of mixed use. Emails, streaming, a handful of games, and even a video shoot. When you're running low, Honor's 66-watt wired charging can refill you to 80% in about 30 minutes. Wireless charging isn't here just as a gimmick either. 30-watt speeds mean you can drop it on a pad and keep on moving. On the software side, MagicOS 8.0 builds on Android 13 with smart tweaks tailored for folding screens. Floating windows let you preview messages without leaving your game, and a smart sidebar gives you one-tap access to your most used tools. It's these little touches that remind you Honor isn't just chasing specs, they're refining the user experience. If you're as fascinated by the Honor Magic V3 as I am, hit that like button so more people discover this foldable wonder. Share the video with anyone on the fence about upgrading, and don't forget to subscribe to ToPhoneGyan for weekly deep dives, honest reviews, and hands-on comparisons. Ring the bell so you never miss an insider scoop.